Let's read together with me. Alright, kids. What is this place? Do you know? Apakah nama tempat ini? Adakah kamu tahu? This is bookshop. Bookshop. How to spell it? B-O-O-K-S-H-O-P. Bookshop. Alright, students. What is this place? Can you tell me? Yes, that's correct. This is a toilet. T-O-I-L-E-T. Toilet. How about this place? Do you know? Tahukah kamu apakah nama tempat ini? That's correct. Betul. Ini adalah canteen. Canteen. How to spell it? C-A-N-T-E-E-N. Canteen. Can you repeat? Very good, kids. Let's continue. Staff room. Staff room. Ini adalah ruangan tempat bekerja. Contohnya, di sekolah kita mempunyai bilik guru. Di situ adalah kaki tangan, tempat kaki tangan sekolah melakukan pekerjaan. Okay, staff room. How to spell staff room? Follow me. S-T-A-F-F-R-O-O-M. Staff room. Very good. Let's read. Staff room. Staff room. Staff room is a place for teachers to do work. A place for teachers to do work. Staff room. canteen. Canteen is a place to buy food and drinks. Canteen, a place to buy food and drinks. Murid-murid semua tahu kan? Pernah pergi ke kantin kan? Bagus, very good. Toilet. Toilet. Toilet is a place to waste oneself. Toilet, a place to wash oneself. This is toilet too. Tempat membersihkan diri. Okay? A place to wash oneself. Untuk membersihkan diri. Ya? Okay, pandai. Very good. Bookshop. Bookshop. Tempat ni ada banyak buku dan juga alat tulis. Stationery and books. Bookshop is a place to buy books and stationery. Again, bookshop is a place to buy books and stationery. Very good. Let's continue. Let's read at the bookshop. At the bookshop. Mohan is at the bookshop. He buys a book. Refer to your textbook. Turn to page 9. We read again. At the bookshop. Mohan is at the bookshop. He buys a book. Very good. At the canteen. At the canteen. Nurin is at the canteen. She buys 2 curry puff. Nurin is at the canteen. She buys 2 curry puff. And then she washes her hands. Then she eats the curry puff. Can you repeat? Very good, kids. Let's continue. Alright, kids. I want you to review the previous topic by doing the assignment on the page 6 in your textbook. Have a good try and have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.